औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। दस्त मासूम को वो लोहे कलम देता है, दस्त मासूम को वो लोहे कलम देता है, नौनिहालों को कंदीले हरम देता है। इल्म बांटता फिरता है वो सूरज की तरह, इल्म बांटता फिरता है वो सूरज की तरह, जब वो डूबता है तो सितारों को जन्म देता है। हेलो एवरीवन, द लर्नर्स, the dear students, you are the future leader, thinkers and change makers. Think for a moment. Where would we be if there were no teachers? Could we even read, write or dream about our future? No, it is impossible without teachers. Just as teachers guide us for life, let this channel guide you for daily motivation. Subscribe now and stay inspired. Your one click on subscribe can keep us connected with more such inspiring talks. As Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam once said, the purpose of education is to make good human beings with skills and expertise. Enlightened human beings can be created by teachers. Today, we celebrate those enlightened creators. Every champion has a coach, every successful person has a mentor, and every one of us has a teacher who changed our life. That's why Teachers' Day is so special. So, Happy Teachers' Day to all the wonderful teachers. Let's spread respect for teachers and motivation to the world together. Teachers are like guiding stars who make our path bright. Teaching is the profession that creates all the other professions. Every year on 5th September, we celebrate this day to honor our teachers and remember the great philosopher, scholar, and our former second President of India, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, whose birthday we make as a Teachers' Day. Teachers are not just people who teaches us lesson from books. They are our guides, mentor, and role models who shapes our future and helps to become a better human beings. They show us the right path, correct our mistakes, and inspire us to dream big. Good teachers are the reason why ordinary students dream to do extraordinary things. A teacher is a role model and like a candle that burns itself to give light to others. Whatever we achieve in life, it is because of their guidance, patience, and hard work. On this day, we should thank all our teachers from the bottom of our heart for their constant support and encouragement. Their efforts may sometimes go unnoticed, but their impact on students' life is everlasting. Teachers' Day is the celebration of real heroes of our society, our teachers. Teachers are the true architect of our society. Teacher plants the seeds of seeds of knowledge that grows forever. Teachers are not just guide; they are the light in our darkness, strength behind our success, and the reason we dream higher. Teachers are the real builder of nation. Honor their hard work by becoming responsible, disciplined, and dedicated in life. That will be the great gift you can ever give your teachers. As we know, the Teachers' Day is so special to all. So, to all teachers, say thanks for shaping not just your future, but the future of entire nation. The true teachers are those who helps us think for ourselves. That is what a teacher truly does. They ignite a fire in our mind, and a fire that never goes out. That means we know the world is so full of challenges, temptations, distractions. Teachers are the ones who remind us of our goals, who push us forward when we feel like giving up. They show us that the education is not just about marks and degrees, but about learning the art of living with wisdom and courage. Behind every successful doctors, engineers, scientists, leader, architect, artist, and even every good human being, there is a teacher who believed in them. Teachers don't just build careers, but they build characters, discipline, and values. In every culture, and religion, teachers hold a special position, second only to the parents. Unfortunately, today, teachers don't always receive the same respect. In this digital world, many students underestimate the value of their teachers. Parents often blame teachers. Students' behavior problem, discipline issue, lack of interest, distraction, especially due to the mobile phones, social media, are the major challenges which face teacher. In many countries, teachers struggle with low pay, lack of recognition, and limited support. Every doctors, engineers, leaders, or thinkers is the result of teachers' hard work. Even today's fast-changing world, no true progress is possible without teachers. If we truly want a bright future, we must restore the respect of teachers. And a teacher is still a lamp of knowledge. We just need to value its light. The true position of teacher is that of respect, honor, and guidance. Society must give back the dignity and recognition that teachers rightfully deserve. Now, let us all promise to respect our teachers and make them proud through our actions and achievements. Once again, happy Teachers' Day to all the wonderful teachers. If this Teachers' Day message inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational content. Honor the spirit of learning. Subscribe for more motivational speeches. Thank you, and again, happy Teachers' Day to all the wonderful teachers. Thank you.